Hello aviators, on this video, I'll show you how to replace the main wheel assembly of ATR 72-600. But before we proceed, did you know why two aircraft tires has a straight line profile? If we look at the top part of the tread, you'll see the straight line profile. The primary reason for this particular profile is to clear water from the tire when taking off or landing on wet runways and for general direction control. This straight line profile is used to prevent the effect of hydroplaning. Hydroplaning or aquaplaning. This is essentially when your aircraft tire slips or skids on top of water. Water builds under the tire and physically lifts the tire off the ground, causing you to lose contact with the runway surface, and then your tire just skids over the wet runway, resulting in barely any braking action. The straight line profile like this helps eliminate this effect of water buildup, as the water can collect within and be pushed through these parallel grooves. Now let's check for our maintenance manual for our reference. As you can see, the number for main wheel assembly is worn out. But before that, we need to set the parking brakes on. Place the jack under the landing gear jacking point. Remove the 3 bolts from the hubcap, and also remove the lock wires. Remove the screws and the cover plate. Remove the bolts and washer. Use a torque wrench attached with axle nut adapter to remove the nut. And now carefully pull out the main wheel assembly. Remove all the dirt and place a new grease. Carefully fit the main wheel assembly on the wheel axle, engaging the disc drive keys of the wheel in the respective key slots in the outside diameter of the rotating disc. Install the axle nut and set the parking brakes off. Set the initial torque value to 1062 inch-pounds as per AMM. Fit the axle nut adapter and turn clockwise while manually rotating the wheel in direction of tightening the nut. Turn the axle nut counterclockwise to loosen the nut. Set the final torque value to 516 inch-pounds as per AMM. Turn the axle nut to clockwise while manually rotating the wheel in direction of tightening the nut. If locking holes of bolts are not aligned, continue tighten the axle nut to the nearest locking hole. Install the 2 lock bolts and secure a lock wire. While I'm doing the lock wiring, something unexpected happened. Sorry guys, sometimes these things really happen. I'll just use another twister pliers to finish this task. Install the spacer and the cover plate and secure all the screws. And lastly, install the hubcap and the bolts. Release the pressure of the jack, lower the threads, and pull it out. Replacement of main wheel assembly complete. Thank you guys for watching my video. For more aviation vlogs, please keep on tuning my channel.